Okay, let's take a look at the volatility index, the VIX, and let me try to explain to everyone what I look at as a proxy on what might be happening with the market, even though it's not the most reliable indicator, whatever, but the VIX is still the VIX. When the VIX rises, market falls. When the VIX falls, the market rises. Okay, it's as simple as that. So, saying all that, this is the chart of the VIX, and I've shown this before on the daily. Okay, it's like a cardio rhythm, right? EKG. So here we are with the VIX, and what we are seeing, what I'm thinking is that if we have a sharp sell-off towards that 16,000 level, the VIX rises to about 16 right here on this downtrend line. If you notice, it's failed here every single time. These type of peaks, this one happened in February, are possible when it jumps up to 21, but they're rare. They seem to happen. Well, this one was, let me see here. This was at the end of December 2012. The next one was 2 months later, end of February. Well, let's look at these top ones. And this was June 2013. 4 months later, October 2013, and then February 2014. So that's October, November, December, January, February. 4 months later again. So 4 months from February brings us into June. So this kind of coincides. If you want to do a little day count, then you can actually see that 4 months later, sometime in June, let's say after the first week of June, somewhere around June, let's look at a calendar here. After the 6th of June, remember the first 5 days are basically a lot of pension mutual fund inflows that are put into place in the market. So let's see here. June 6th is a Friday, June 9th. Okay, so you can mark June 9th. Somewhere here, we're going to basically see the VIX jump up to about 21. So it's a Monday. Something happens over the weekend, and the VIX basically zigzags around here and then makes a beeline. That's July. Okay, June. Yeah, makes a beeline for that level. So that would basically kind of, and when these type of things happen, it goes parabolic, because markets react very quickly these days, as we all know. The sell programs come into effect within in nanoseconds, my favorite word, and things happen very quickly. We don't have to wait around for days, so it'll happen probably in a matter of in a couple of hours, or 2 days. This happened within, let's see here, it happened Wednesday, January 15th. It was down here at 11, and then basically spiked, fell, and peaked on February 3rd, so 3 weeks later. So let's see what happens. But somewhere around after the 6th of June, you expect the market to basically go into a little tizzy. And there could be, a couple of economic events which could drive that. Could be geopolitical events. But I think that we can still see 21. And that would be a nice washout in the market. And we hope to be on the right side, on the short side prior to that, to make a ton of money. And then buy in as the VIX comes down. At this point, the VIX looks like it's putting in a bottom. Every time it goes back towards 11, 12, I'm sorry, below 12, the VIX bounces exactly as it did. Okay, so here there is a green doji candle, which suggests that we have a little bit more upside to go, possibly till about here, 14. That would be the sell-off, which is bought, and could very well happen by tomorrow morning. Okay, that's the VIX.